Welcome to WCrypto.
Hello, my friends. Welcome back to WCrypto. In yesterday's video, I explained that a quick pit stop into the mid-117K range could spark an upside rally towards the 120K and 124K liquidation leverage clusters. And today, that's exactly what happened. Bitcoin pushed straight into that mid-117K area and then attempted to rip higher. Right now, we're fighting to break 121K, the lower boundary of the first cluster above us. This is already the second attempt to break this key level. Typically, Bitcoin needs to knock 3 to 4 times before it opens the door. Switching to the 3-day liquidation heat map, we can see how precise yesterday's forecast was. First, Bitcoin made the quick dip into the mid-117K area, then attempted the move higher. Now it's testing the lower edge of the 120K cluster. So far, price action nibbled through the zone from 120K to just under 121K, with the heat map highlighting 121K as the current hottest level. Looking at the 1-week liquidation heat map, the picture is even clearer. I expect Bitcoin to take out the 121K level relatively soon, and from there push higher, working through the entire cluster that extends from 120K up to 124.7K. For context, the last all-time high was printed just 4 days ago at $122,838. In terms of fundamentals, Bitcoin ETF inflows continue to impress. Yesterday alone, inflows totaled $799.4 million. On Tuesday, another $403.1 million flowed in, and Monday added $297.4 million. Today's number is currently sitting at $10.4 million, but the trend shows no signs of fading. Especially notable is that BlackRock's institutional clients were responsible for $763.9 million of yesterday's inflow total. Once again, watch what the big players are doing and follow their lead. It's time to stack. So, what now? I expect Bitcoin to take over the 121K level over the weekend, and the 124K mark should follow by Sunday, at the latest. Always remember, in a bull year, price moves can escalate faster than expected. I will continue updating you daily. Join the free Discord for real-time trading thoughts. Click the like button if you got value from this video. Subscribe and turn on the notification bell to stay updated. And see you in the next one.